G'day folks, just an update on the charge controller. No, I've been meaning to put a video up, but yeah, obviously it's a sort of pretty much middle of the day type time now, so yeah, with it on the lithium batteries there, it's what do you call it? Yeah, it's about near its max, because obviously I've got equivalent of 3 well, suitable for 24 volts sort of thing, but basically they're 40 volts open sort of thing, so comes down to 36 or 37 volts when it's on a load sort of thing. So and there at that there, it's which they're all about 8 or 10 amps per panel or per thing sort of thing. So can get up to about 24 if it's exactly all the right conditions and stuff. So, but yeah, so if I get around 20, 21, then yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, normally it's charged up by 9 o'clock, but yeah, I am having a bit of a, as you can see under there, I think, if I can get it, the RS485 connection there. It goes into a USB extension there, which goes into the back of the computer. And I'm having all troubles in the world to get it to see the device so I can do lots of other things and look at information and all that sort of thing. So yeah, so that's the update for that on that part of it. I'll do a bit of another one as far as the software, just obviously, yeah, just trying to do it with the phone, it's a bit difficult. But yeah, I mean, I've got that U is just the voltage it uses, from what I understand, to charge. It's not the actual battery voltage. I do have that voltmeter there, and there's a voltmeter there on the inverter, but I think the inverter one reads a bit low, or unless that voltmeter reads the voltage under load, so that's just a bit of an indication. Anyway, tubers, I'll see you on I'll catch up with you guys on the next one.